Oh my. All right, Ronaldo, first of all, big win. Big win for Portmore United. Solidify themselves in the top six now. What's your thoughts on that?
I think today we have a solid game plan coming into today to qualify for the playoff. I think, but it was a really team effort collectively, and I think we just get the job done.
That goal that you score. Tell us what going through your mind when you pick up that ball.
It's just instincts, to be honest. Just get the ball. I wanted to show a little bit of my quality too at the same time, but I think they give me a nice amount of space to execute that. But just keep my feet on the ground and just take it game by game.
Oh, the right foot though. A lot of power behind that one. You swing the right foot in that one.
Yeah.
So what's your thought of your season so far? You got a little bit of dip in recent time where form is concerned, but you're back on it now. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, during the first part of the season when I was at Arborview, I kind of got injured. Got get a look at not grind. But since coming here, I really focused. Coaches helped me, my teammates helped me. We have very good quality players here, very experienced players here, so they kind of helped me. So I think, as I said, I'm just keeping my feet on the ground. I'm working really hard in training. So when these things happen, I'm just grateful and thank Father God.
How have you felt since coming to the Portmore squad? Is it a welcoming feeling? Just tell us a little bit about that.
I can call this place home, to be honest. I can really call this place home. It's nice, the environment, the staff, the technical staff, down to the fitness coach, the managers, players and all. The camaraderie is different here, to be honest, and I think I'm really grateful for how they welcome me to the club, and I'm very grateful for it.
You seem to love to score extraordinary goals.
Yeah. You know, to be honest, looking back from school to now, I tend to score. I'm not the type to score like 11, 12, 15 goals, but when I do score, it's not only them type of goals. So, but
The one that count.
yeah.
All right, thanks, sir.
Yeah, thank you.